Okay, so welcome back. Now, in this example, we're given these dimensions, or not these dimensions, but these parts of the triangle, a potential triangle, if you will. Okay, so we're given an angle of 109 degrees. A is 14.8 inches and B is 19.5 inches. Okay, so now, notice that A is an obtuse angle, right? Okay, so this has to be the largest angle in the triangle, if it is a triangle, right? That means the longest side, which is A, has to be across from this angle. So A has to be the longest side, right? Because it's across from the largest angle. But look at B. B is longer than A. So therefore it can't be a triangle. Okay? And that would be the reason you would give. Now let's try to figure this out and use the law of sines, right? So if you know what you're looking for, you can avoid the law of sines. If there is no triangle, boom, you're done, right? And you can immediately see that from what they give you in the problem. But let's go ahead and solve it, or try to solve it using the law of sines. Okay? So, since I have A and B, we want to solve for sine of B. We want to solve for the angle. Okay, now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do sine A over A equals sine B over B. Okay? So I'm just going to plug in the values I know. So I'm going to do sine of 109 degrees. Make sure your calculator is in degrees. Over 14.8 inches equals sine B over 19.5 inches. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by 19.5. And so I get sine B is equal to 19.5 sine 109 degrees divided by 14.8 inches. Okay. Well, we don't need inches. Okay. Now, if I plug this into my calculator, that's easy enough. Here's what I get. I get approximately sine of B is equal to approximately 1.25. Okay. Now, notice that we're saying sine of this angle B is equal to 1.25. Now here's another place where you might stop and pause for a moment and ask yourself, does this make sense? And you would find that no, this should not make sense, because what's the largest value that sine can have? The largest that sine can be is 1. And right now we're at 1.25. So if you took the inverse sine of both sides to find angle B, you would get an error. It would be a domain error. Okay? And so therefore, at this point, we can say we're done because this is impossible. We cannot have that. So therefore, we do not have a triangle. Okay? Have a great day.